Hey, what's up? We're back at it again. Another art challenge, art video, whatever. It was not highly requested. It was literally one person, actually a few people. And someone requested in the comments to draw Nanami Kento from Jujutsukaisen. And at first I was kind of like, okay, cool. Nanami's like another favorite character of mine. But then it's like, it kind of got to me like, yo, people are actually interactive in the comments, man, and actually like communicating with me through the video. And it's like, I don't know, it just gets me excited. Without further ado, we're just gonna hop right into it. I got Photoshop, I got the references in the corner, I got everything set up to do this right now. So just sit back, relax, and without wasting anyone's time, let's get right into the video. Nanami Kento in 5 minutes. To be honest, the timer did run out right when I was about to put the glasses on, but I just decided, screw it, whatever. You know, it is what it is. Boom. Oh, and I forgot to tie. Oh, crap. Whatever. Screw it. Nanami in 5 minutes. Now on to the next one. Nanami Kento, 15 minutes. Nanami Kento in 25 minutes. Okay, so sorry for cutting the video short, but just to keep this explanation extremely short, things happened trying to make this video. So the first thing, just drawing Nanami, everything was cool, everything was peachy, everything was fine until OBS crashed. Get it together. So I immediately redid the entire video. Like, I drew something new in 5 minutes, something new in 15 minutes. And right when I got to drawing Nanami in 25 minutes, it looks just bad. Like, it looks horrible. Like, it doesn't even, no, it's just, ugh. So instead of uploading that, I just decided to just keep the original one. Keep the original first two, and then I guess show you guys the freaking art piece. Just to make it somewhat normal. And I just apologize for this. It's just, it sucks, but you know, I can't be down, I can't be all sad about it. It is what it is. Sorry about that. And now let's get to the end of the video. That was a bit of a bummer, not gonna lie. Not that it was entirely bad, I'm not like hating on myself or anything. I just thank you guys for watching. This has been really funny experience, and hopefully you have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Drop post notifications so you'll get the latest info on the newest videos that I'll release. And I'll see you on the next one.